Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Renault Koleos ZEN, stock reference number 5260. This shape runs from the 5th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left surround. Left-hand fog light, left-hand daytime running light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right-hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.